Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Rockstar Reviews. Today I'm reviewing TrulyFree's cleaners. They have a laundry wash, they have a fruit and veggie wash, which removes pesticides from produce, which is more important as time goes on because there's over 900 pesticides. They have an everyday cleaner, which I love. They have Dryer Angels, which are these essential oil little pockets, little things, pouches that you throw in your dryer and they scent your clothes like essential oils as opposed to unhealthy toxins. So it's cool because, first of all of these products that I have here, they come, as you can see, in these packets. And all that you do, they ship you the bottle initially, but all that you do is when you get the refills, you just rip open the top and then pour this in the spray bottle or whatever, or laundry jug or whatever it may be, and then that refill, it's not wasting plastic. So you're not having you're using less trash, which is a really good thing. You're using less plastic, which is better for the environment. So you save money in that way, and it's better for the environment. And the ingredients are all based from like salts, coconut derived, and essential oils. So essentially, coconut derived, salt derived, or essential oil derived, or a combination of all of the above. So I love this brand because, first of all, their products and their mission is high quality. They work really well. In fact, I'll say that their stain stick product is fantastic. The best stain removal product I've ever used. It's literally a stick and you just rub it on the stain and then rinse it out with hot water, and it works incredibly well. I also love the Dryer Angel. I think the Stain Stick and the Dryer Angel are their two most unique products because the Stain Stick removes stains in an incredible way and it's non-toxic, and then the Dryer Angel makes your clothes smell good like essential oils. But like I said, everything is derived from essential oils, coconut, or salts, and it reduces plastic waste, and the company's just amazing. I love these products, and they smell great, and they save you money because you're not, buying these high-priced organic, quote-unquote organic brands, and you're saving a lot of plastic as well. So check them out. I'll put the link below, and I'll also put 20 different health and wellness brands below that you can save money on. So check that out as well. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.